beauties, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Adoni. I'm a beauty artist, hairstylist, beauty tutor, and a beauty content creator. It's all about celebrating melanin rich skin and making makeup feel fun, empowering, and accessible. Today I have got something really special for you. I will be walking you through a soft, subtle nude glam look that is perfect for dark skin tones. And the best part, I am actually featuring my beautiful friend. She's letting me beat her face and bring this soft glam vision to life. And I'm gonna be starting by cleaning the face with a micellar water to remove any dirt from the skin. Next, I hydrated the skin with a hydrating mist to refresh the skin. Diving into a skin prep process by starting with a moisturizer. I never skip this step, no matter what kind of look I'm going for. Prepping the skin properly is the key to smooth, flawless makeup, especially on deeper skin tones, where dryness can show up more visibly under foundation. I am using a lightweight, hydrating moisturizer that sinks right into the skin without feeling greasy. It helps to plump up the skin, smooth out any dry patches, and create a soft base for foundation to glide on effortlessly. And if you have oily skin, don't skip this. Just choose an oil-free moisturizer. Trust me, hydrated skin holds makeup so much better and gives that fresh, healthy finish we are always going for. Next, I am going in with a grip primer. This one is especially great for dry skin because it's not only helps your makeup last longer but also adds a bit of hydration and tackiness to the skin, which gives your foundation something to really hold on to. This one is not matte primer, but this one keeps the skin feeling fresh and moisturized while locking everything in. And for foundation, I am skipping anything too matte today because I want a nice dewy radiant finish, nothing too heavy or flat. I am using a foundation with a natural or luminous finish that enhances the skin's glow without looking oily. I start by blending in with a foundation brush to get that coverage and to spread the product evenly across the skin. Then I go in with a damp beauty sponge to really press it in and make everything look seamless and skin-like. Now for blush, I am going in with a red cream blush, and yes, red looks absolutely stunning on deeper skin tone. I am applying it to the high points of our cheeks, so it lifts the face and brings warmth to the complexion. Cream blush also gives a nice dewy finish, which works beautifully with the glowy base we are going for. Next is concealer. I'm using a shade that is about 2 tones lighter than a natural skin tone. This helps to brighten the under eyes area and highlight the center of the face without making it look too stark or ashy. I'm applying it under the eyes, the bridge of the nose, chin, and a little on the forehead.